The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 comes with Infinity O display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. The phone comes with a high-polished metal and glass design. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone is available in Aura Black, Aura Glow, and Aura Red colors. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 comes with an 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. It also comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The phone has an immersive 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED Infinity display that extends from edge to edge to provide a smooth viewing experience. It features Dolby Atmos sound for rich 3D sound experience. The phone also comes with an S Pen stylus. Both the phone and S Pen are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. The phone also comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that helps you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. Galaxy 10 has 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel triple rear camera with flash and a 10 megapixel front camera for all your pictures and selfies. It also comes with HDR10 Plus that lets you shoot vivid colors and details in 4K UHD. The phone runs on Android Pie operating system. The 2.7 GHz Exynos 9825 octa-core processor provides for smooth multitasking and high-end gaming. The phone also features Bixby that helps you control your phone through voice commands. This phone is powered by a 3500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 25 watts fast charger. The phone also comes with wireless power share that lets you charge your compatible devices through your phone. The box includes handset with non-removable battery, S Pen, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy 10 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.